Poor little snake. Big old guy, isn't he? He's not dead. Make sure he's dead. Teach that devil to come around our house. That'll teach that devil to come around our house. Poor little bitty skinny snake.
Yeah, tough high is all I can say.
Go get him, Prissy. Had the thing on manual focus, something like this. That flower on for us. She sprayed something on Prissy. In her mouth drooling. With these weeds out. Get him, Prissy, get him, Prissy. Well, Prissy treated her.
Huh? Hey, Dad.
She's listening to the tape by Robert Morris, in the temple from house to house. There's a poor bear. It's nothing like
and the frog. What you doing? That frog get the best of you.
I think I need to cut some of the length off of these. What do you think?
Yeah, I would. Poor old frog doesn't have anywhere to go now. You got him in a corner.
Many are they that rise up against me. Many are they that say of my soul. There is no hope.
There's old bad Tammy Faye. Hey W, you got a used car lot over there today? You got a used car lot over there today?
I'm looking for smoke on it.
Good gracious.
I didn't cut those yesterday now.
What?
They used to cut 2 hours. Did you eat them all?
No, I just cooked the squash though.
I got used to them. Is Chesapeake Bay oysters. And they're good for frying. Oh no. But if you're going to boil them, cut them in 2, some of them.
Okay.
I told Justin I had a pint for. You know what them things cost me a pint?
They're a bunch, I know.
It cost me $11 a quart.
Woo!
I bought 2 quarts and I made several half pints out of it.
Chrissy,
That's right.
Chrissy.
I'm going to tell you something.
What?
Come here. I don't like to talk to you like that. When you come in from work,
Mm-hmm.
you decked out like a queen.
Yeah.
I don't like you that way.
You don't?
I like you in stylish clothes.
You like me in stylish clothes.
Yes, sir. I like you. I won't tell you whether you like it or not. But if you're going to be an executive, you got to dress like that.
That's right, I got to dress professional.
We got to, yes, sir. I'll tell you that. But I don't like it. And I'd rather you not, when you dress like that, don't kiss me no more.
You want to take Mary some of these? They smell so good.
I don't want to take nothing over there.
So I kissed him on the cheek when he gave me all those.
Next time you send me a loaf of bread slice. I told that loaf of bread all day.
You said you'd have trouble with it.
Yeah, it's hard to slice when it's hot.
Well, it ain't you. I've seen you slice it.
Well, using that electric knife, and it takes a real gentle touch because it smashes up real bad.
No, I like the old, just a plain old dress.
Just a plain old dress, huh?
Short, though.
Short.
Yeah.
I don't wear short dresses.
Now I say, well, now I know that woman is dressed professionally. I realize you have to.
Yeah, I sure do.
Well, how long would your job last if you did?
It wouldn't last long.
I got used to it. Campbell has got the crookedest son of a bitch working for him I've ever seen. The ABC Commission is crooked. The Highway Commission is crooked. Everything is crooked that he's got his hands on, and he wants a cabinet farmer girl.
I know it. Isn't that something?
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
He's a dirty SOB. And I'll call him that, and he'll put me in jail.
Well, I tell you what, I never have had any use for him.
I'm be speaking about those mean things right here.
He wants a cabinet farmer, doesn't he? He's got a cabinet farmer government now. A bunch of them.
He's got a bunch of cabinets, doesn't he?
He's got a bunch of cabinets. You want this?
I don't think so.
It'll do good for the front door.
Okay, Prissy. Let the poor frog have some rest. He drooled all over him and everything else. Well, I appreciate those words of wisdom.
I don't like him quitting his job.
Who, the ABC guy?
I'm talking about Justin.
Oh, Justin, he didn't quit his job. They quit him.
No, I can go to work for him over there in the mall.
I got news for you. The only man I knew was working at his hammer.
God gave me a building.
I got news for you. It won't pay, Justin. I'm telling you. I'm not looking for pay. I'm looking man. Your pay, with everything else that's coming in there, that's exactly what I want.
He's looking for glory, not pay.
I'm looking for bums, dejected, those in debt. I got a solution for them.
I know a man sleeping on the street. He had $50 left.
Isn't that disgusting?
Hi.
There's my beautiful, beautiful wife on this 21st day of June 1992, Father's Day, in fact.
I bet you're gonna get my beard.
I've been checking that out there real good there.
Whoa. You're ready to white and tan.
That is so good. Now your local forecast. $66 degrees. Feels like warmer than that out there.
You know what, my movie package is realized.
Nope. You're in the middle of that thing, huh?
Yeah, I think I got about 30 on that on it. It was pretty slow anyway to the store.
Your local 36-hour forecast.
30% chance of showers and thundershowers. How is it in Apple?
You don't have that camera
Why?
We were talking about something else, and I realized you were talking about Selma. Looks like Spider-Man.
No, the Mormons will research anybody for you as long as they've been dead for a while. But they take all of those records and keep them in Salt Lake City. You can either go there or research it yourself and go to school.
What, for the whole country?
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
They have some kind of archives here?
They have the largest archives anywhere.
They copied up and they were everywhere and copied those.
And they're all up there. I think a person has to have been dead for like 10 years for them to research the files, but they've got birth certificates and marriage certificates and death certificates and adoption papers that, that have been released, all sorts of stuff. They don't take anybody that's alive because they don't want
She got bit on the nose the other day by a snake.
Because it could be somebody that doesn't want to be found. Once you're dead, you're
You will hold your nose.
Oh, okay. I do this for you and then I get to like you better. I'm scared of boy.
There's Mr. John Weston, Bonnie's husband, Bonnie, and her mom, Melanie, there's Marcy's daughter, and there's my darling's wife, and there's a little light there. Martha. She's Nancy's daughter. This is Happy, which is the youngest girl in the family. And this is Marcy.
To volunteer to be your favorite actor. I thought people would do that, you know. Yeah. I feel pretty honored. I thought your favorite actor. Would you go get me some more vegetables? Since you're my favorite actor, would you go get me a needle and thread so I can sew something? I have some down my...
Check out your way, Marcy.
You can find a needle and thread out the left.
I guess we're supposed to find out where we're supposed to eat at, huh? Okay. That settles that. This is the day. This is the day. And our famous chef.
Famous chef. I was a chef back in the days.
And butter beans. And taters. She's out here getting ready to do some carpentry work. Great. And the buddies back here. Some big old puzzles.
And Pearl Adams was there. And these two guys asked her if she ever seen a star. She said, I'm not interested. And, now that guy's a preacher. Bob Turner and Robert Arnott. Oh,
Your daddy put them out in our car because I didn't know if your daddy knew. Excuse me.
Hot enough?
Toast now.
Here, I'm going to find it now. Just grab one that we can wrap the bread up in.
Is that waterproof?
All right, take your smart ass son. You're smart.
You come down. Well, you're Tennessee. Let me tell you something, Maury. It's 9 hours. Your time goes by. It's much better now. This kind of looks
Push on another bread because you don't know it.
Blessed be the tie that binds our hearts in Christian love. That's mean, huh?
I just got another bag of stuff.
That's a fact. Got a tremendous amount of compliments.
That's a good shirt right there, too. Isn't that a Ducks Unlimited shirt?
Yep.
Yeah, that's about a $40 shirt.
Yeah. Blessed be the God that finds.
Yeah, and I'll never forget that. I promise we take you to Shoney's for breakfast. There's the room.
I'm trying to find the TV controller. I don't know who.
It's right here.
It's over here.
Right there. Where do these pictures right here come from? Is that
I
Pennsylvania?
went to school. That's where I went to school.
These are Pennsylvania, though.
Yeah, that's when we were up there last year.
I have a friend who does that.
What? What did you do?
I watched it in front of
Actually, my socks. Yeah.
Professional help.
I'm like them black guys. I go and get my legs shaped like that.
I didn't, it wasn't just me. What?
This next picture coming up is where I went to school.
Your underwear's hanging out of your pants, girl. Your underwear's hanging out of your pants. What's the matter with you? Underwear's hanging out your pants. They both got holes in them too. Look at that.
Only one has a hole.
No, this got a hole right there and a hole there and a hole there.
They're holy.
Oh my goodness. Good thing you got some underwear on.
I think it's adorable. I love that. And look at that little grin on your face.
Here's where I went to school.
I know. That's what? High school or what? Oh, my. Daddy.
What school was it? Elementary, high school? All the way.
First grade the whole way through.
Okay, let me put that thing on right. Just gotta get ready.
More than
That's right. Excuse me, if you're sitting over there, y'all come on over here to stand, and everybody's names is over here, just step back from the table.
I didn't bring mine.
Yeah, bring your plates with you when you come.
Okay, well let me try to get out of here.
Grandpa, you just
We didn't have enough service.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave this running the whole time. I figure I can cut out what I do.
Yeah, that's what we do a lot. When I have my tripod at home.
Do you want to appoint someone to say the blessing?
I do want to.